Have you ever noticed those people who never post their photos? No selfies, no birthday pics, no vacation updates? While the whole world screams, "Look at me," these people quietly stay in the background. And the most interesting part is, psychology says this behavior isn't random. It actually indicates how solid their mindset, confidence, and emotional maturity are. So, let's understand the psychology of those who don't post their photos on social media. Asterisk 1. Privacy over popularity. Psychologists say that for people who are less visible online, privacy isn't a luxury, it's a priority. They prefer to decide how much the world knows about them. They aren't antisocial, nor do they have problems with people. They just want to keep their mental space clean. While others seek validation from likes and comments, these individuals live by self-validation. They don't have to think, "What should I share to impress people?" They are already secure from within, and this is a silent sign of real confidence. 2. Strong self-awareness. Research suggests that people who post less have high self-concept clarity. In simple terms, they know who they are, what they want, and what holds no meaning. Their happiness barometer isn't measured by people's reactions, but by their own actions. They don't chase trends or live in comparison. Their source of happiness is internal, not external. And this is a sign that the person is at peace with their mind. 3. Emotional security and inner confidence. Those who post fewer photos aren't insecure. They are emotionally secure. They don't need to show their pictures to prove their worth. They already feel, "I am enough." Psychologists say this kind of confidence is true self-esteem. These are the people who don't run after approval, who aren't overly anxious, and who spend their time on real-world goals rather than online performance. For them, their life's purpose is more important than the world's likes. 4. Deep thinkers versus online performers. These people don't show off, they observe. They think before writing or speaking and only post when they feel the message is worth sharing. The reason is their internal locus of evaluation. This means they measure their value system by their own standards, not by the world's comments. They find superficial conversations boring and meaningful conversations priceless. They don't show, they feel. 5. The digital illusion and social comparison. And the biggest reason is that they understand the game of digital illusion. Social media creates an illusion that everyone is living a perfect life and nothing bad ever happens to anyone. In psychology, this is called social comparison theory, where a person compares their reality to others' highlight reels. Those who protect their privacy avoid this comparison trap. They know that peace is greater than performance. They choose mental clarity over online identity. The next time you meet someone who never posts their photos, don't assume they're shy or boring. Perhaps that person is more grounded, more emotionally stable, and an expert in understanding themselves. They understand that being seen isn't necessary, understanding is. They don't need to be seen because they have already seen themselves. And perhaps that is what true confidence is. If you like understanding why people think and behave this way, then subscribe to Connect Psychology, because here we don't just scroll, we understand the human mind.